Want to replace your microwave's microswitch? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What you need: a pair of pliers, a new microswitch, and a screwdriver. Step 1. Remove the housing. Loosen the screws at the back. Pull the housing back and then lift it to remove it. Step 2. Discharge the capacitor. Before you start the repair, it is important to discharge the capacitor first. This is because it may still be under high voltage. To do this, use a piece of insulated tool and carefully connect the two voltage connections of the capacitor with it. Step 3. Remove the microswitch. In this microwave, the microswitch is fixed in a plastic bracket. Unscrew it first. Then disconnect the cables from the microswitch you want to replace and remove it from the plastic bracket. The space here is often very limited, so watch out for sharp edges. Step 4. Reinsert the new microswitch. Place the new microswitch in place of the old one, and reconnect the cables in the right place. Now screw the bracket back into place. Step 5. Place back the housing. Put the housing back in place and tighten the screw securely. You have replaced the microswitch and the microwave is ready to use again.